Mr. Reynolds, it's very important that all of your computers have our managed antivirus solution.
That's right, Mr. Reynolds. Just imagine if one of your computers got infected. Why, it could spread through the entire office.
Oh, sweet. Just got an email from the Prince of Nigeria. Apparently, if I send this to all of my friends and coworkers, I'm gonna be rich. Done.
Y'all check this out. We're about to eat at every fancy restaurant in the world. We're about to be rich.
What have I done?
I don't feel so good.
It's okay. They'll be here soon with the antivirus.
Antivirus?
Hey, how's it going?
Oh, good. Compsys is here with the antivirus.
Is it okay?
There were zombies everywhere. They had all downloaded the virus, and everyone was infected.
This is what you need.
I should have signed on for Compsys managed antivirus services.